Anyone who knows me says I kind of dress like an old lady. I would have loved to have been alive in the 20s. Got really inspired by the way there would be sometimes like 4 to 5 seating areas in one small room. Truly a boudoir vibe is this idea of having a dedicated space to take time and do their makeup and have a drink and smoke and invite their friends over. I've always loved that idea.
Imagine mixing French boudoirs, 1910s and 20s fashion, Art Deco, and Italian design in a glass. You'd get a cocktail called Pirrie's Parisian apartment. Pirrie's inspiration does not stop to French boudoirs, those 18th century intimate salons where society women would retreat to chat with close friends. She adores 1910s and 20s fashion, from Poiret to Elsa Schiaparelli. The Art Deco movement instilled in her a love for rich materials and ornaments, while Italian designers like Willy Rizzo add lightness and sophistication to her home. In episode 6 of Human Made Homes, we explore Pirrie's space and discover how she blended these influences to create her unique Paris apartment. I hope you will enjoy my conversation with Pirrie. Find more episodes of the Human Made Homes series on my YouTube channel, Abra. What do a Mediterranean oasis, a chic Parisian boudoir, and a colorful family home have in common? Well, these are the next 3 new episodes on Human Made Homes. Hi, my name is Abra, and I love to talk about the process of transforming a space into a home. This series mostly started with me filming with my friends. With time came travels and episodes in New York City, Amsterdam, Berlin, etc. In season 3 of Human Made Homes, we are taking a peek at the interiors of humans who create for a living. The first episode was centered around Danielle, who works in fashion and whose home is a unique blend of Art Deco and secondhand treasures. Fanny welcomed me in her beautiful Parisian apartment. We talked about her decor finds in Parisian flea markets, and I even got to see some of the products she was testing for her role at Oh My Cream. Lise, artistic director and lover of Haussmannian architecture, took us around her home, pointing at the feminine and romantic touches. As an interior designer whose motto is functionality, Sia used her knowledge of shapes, designers, and architecture to mix brutalist furniture to her Parisian apartment. So, what is coming next? Very distinct homes and decor with unique stories. After buying her first apartment, Karine completely made it over into a Mediterranean oasis. She was inspired by 70s Italian designers, natural materials, colors, and unique decor that reflected her personality. Taking a page out of French history, Pirrie modeled her home after boudoirs. These intimate, elegant, chic, and feminine spaces that were created in the 18th century by women to receive their friends, exchange confidence, and even discuss politics. For the very first time, I toured a house. Daybed and her husband, William, created a colorful and warm home for them and their 3 kids. The space is infused with their energy and decor philosophy, a happy mix of unique decor finds, designer pieces, and mainstream buys. As unique as these spaces are, I still found something in common with them all. Each time I was told the stories of these unique homes by the human who made them, I found myself captivated by the transformation of each space into a unique home. Here are some of the human-made homes I was inspired by, and I hope you will be too. If you are new to this channel, you can watch full episodes of this series, all available on my YouTube channel, Abra. The links are in the description as well as the comment down below. You can subscribe to this channel as well to watch the new episodes as soon as they are out. I will see you all for the next episode of the Human Made Home series. Thanks again for watching and see you next week. Bye!